How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com, and today we are going to dyno our bone stock 1993 Cobra. Now, Ford from the factory rated these cars at 235 horsepower and 280 foot-pounds of torque at the flywheel, which most of you that have been around the Fox community know that those numbers were underrated. And the flywheel numbers are traditionally the rear-wheel horsepower and rear-wheel torque numbers, but we're gonna find out soon enough. As far as the dyno technical data is concerned, like I said, it's a bone stock car, so 17-inch rear wheel, the 308 rear gear, we've got 93 octane fuel in the tank, if that matters for these cars. Personally, I really don't think it does. And then of course the T5 transmission, our pull is gonna be made in fourth gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're all good to go on our end, straps are tight, etc. And then we're gonna make a hit. All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna say 220 horsepower at the tire. All right, guys, let's take a look at some results here on our bone stock 1993 Cobra. Looks like we've made 222 horsepower at 4,600 RPM and 280, or if you round that up, 281 foot-pounds of torque at 3,800 RPM. So, like I said, traditionally these cars are underrated. I mean, the car made, torque-wise, it made what Ford rated at the flywheel, and it was just 13 horsepower shy of that flywheel rating. That's on the horsepower number. So if you factor that in, or you factor the drivetrain loss through the T5, I mean, still way underrated from the factory. Also, by the way, that number, or that correction factor we're using an SAE number. And for those of you that don't know, SAE is kind of the industry standard that automobile manufacturers use to determine the flywheel ratings of horsepower and torque from their engines. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more dyno videos on cool cars, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.